Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to brand video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix commas in messages. iMessages needs to be unable to send the messages on your iPhone or iPads. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, what you need to do is just go back to home screen and then open up your settings app and scroll it below here, and here you will see the messages. So tap on this, and from here you have to make sure that the iMessage toggle is turned on here. And after that, what you need to do is just tap here on send and receive, and here what you need to do is just here you will see your Apple ID here it is. So you have to tap here on this your Apple ID, here is blue one. So from here you have to tap here on change location, and from here what you need to do is just you have to make sure that you have selected the country which support iMessages. So I have selected here Pakistan, and Pakistan doesn't support iMessages. So change location. From here I'm now selecting United States here and tap on save. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any problem let me tell in my comment. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.